Vaccines are known to help us, but if done wrong, they can be dangerous. In this video, we will discuss the process of developing a vaccine and the many stages that researchers go through to test the safety and effectiveness of a vaccine. The exploratory stage. This stage involves the normal laboratory research lasting 2 to 4 years. Scientists identify natural or synthetic antigens that could help prevent or treat a disease. This research is federally funded. These antigens could include all the types mentioned in video 2, like pathogens, virus, or fungi. The preclinical stage. Preclinical studies include animal testing to see how their immune responses work and respond, or the ability to provoke an immune response of the vaccine. Mice are mostly used as a test subject, and sometimes monkeys are used as they are genetically similar to humans. These studies give researchers an idea of the cellular responses they might expect in humans. They may also suggest a dosage for the next phase of the research, as well as a safe method of administering the vaccine. Researchers may also do more risky tests where the test subject who has gotten the vaccine is exposed to the virus to see if it gets infected. Lots of vaccines never make it to this stage as the desired immune response level is not achieved. IND application. In this stage, a sponsor, usually a private company, submits an application for an investigational new drug to the US Food and Drug Administration. The sponsor describes the manufacturing and testing processes, summarizes the laboratory reports, and describes the proposed study. An institutional review board, representing an institution where the clinical trial will be conducted, must approve the clinical protocol. The FDA has 30 days to approve the application. Once the IND application has been approved, the vaccine is subject to 3 phases of testing. To summarize the 3 phases, the first phase includes testing the vaccine with a small group of people, usually around 20 to 80 people. This phase mainly aims to check and collect data on the extent of immunity gained from the immune response. This includes the strength of immunity as well as the time period. The second phase includes testing the vaccine to a randomized group with different situations. This phase usually includes a couple hundred people. The different types of people may be people susceptible to the disease, as well as a placebo group for extra data. The aims of phase 2 is to test the vaccine safety, once again, to test the ability to provoke an immune response, and to check if the specified dosage from test 1 has worked, as well as verifying the method of delivery. Phase 3 includes testing with thousands of people and is usually the last stage of testing. The main aim of this phase is to see the rarer things that may happen as a result of the vaccine. These may include side effects or rare cases of harm caused to the body due to the vaccine, which may not show up with a smaller group of testing. After a successful phase 3 of the trial, the company would have to send a licensing request to the FDA. If this is accepted, the vaccine will be approved of mass producing it and eventually selling it around the world. The FDA will continue to monitor the vaccine's production, making sure that they're potent enough and they're safe for the public to use. Some companies may choose to do an optional phase for the vaccine trials to test various other things they may be worried about. Depending on the country and some other rules, a few other steps may be added, but for the most part, this is the stage when people like me and you can get the vaccine to provide immunity against the disease. As you might be aware, this is my last video. I will be posting in the 5-video series. I really hope you have enjoyed, and most importantly, I hope that you have learned something. Thanks for watching.